Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mesh desk organizer is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to declutter their workspace. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of desk organization, specifically focusing on a fantastic 3-tier mesh desk organizer. We'll explore its features, benefits, and how it can transform your desk from a chaotic mess into a haven of productivity. Get ready to say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized and efficient you. Number 5. SPACELEAD 3-tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart. This cart is designed to fit into those narrow gaps you have, making the most of every inch. It's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and more. The cart features a smart tiered design. The bottom layer is perfect for taller items, while the middle layer is great for everyday essentials. It ensures you have a spot for items of all sizes. Assembly is quick and easy, with no tools required. The shelves are removable, allowing you to customize the layout. You can even remove the wheels for a stationary shelf. It's built with lightweight materials, making it easy to move around. Each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds. The mesh design prevents water pooling and promotes air circulation. This cart is perfect for various areas of your home. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces. It's a versatile storage solution. This product is designed to be tucked in for maximum stability. Place it against a wall or between furniture for support. It's the perfect solution for awkward nooks and crannies. What we like. This slim cart is designed to fit into those awkward, narrow spaces. It's perfect for maximizing storage in bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. If you have limited space and need a versatile storage solution, you should consider this. What people say. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. It's absolutely the perfect fit and also pretty good for the price. And yes, that's a cute Bella Slim toaster in it, as well as a Bella Smoothie Maker blender on the counter, lol. Super easy to assemble. Number 4. Marbrasse 3-tier Mesh Desk Organizer. This desk organizer from Marbrasse has 3 tiers and multiple compartments. It's designed to help you sort and store all your office essentials, keeping everything within reach. With its open top, pen holders, and drawers, this organizer offers versatile storage options. You can easily sort documents, letters, and personal items, providing both organization and privacy. Made from a strong black wire mesh, this organizer is built to last. The powder-coated surface is smooth and resistant to corrosion, and the non-slip feet keep it stable on your desk. It can hold up to 30 pounds. Forget about complicated assembly. This organizer is ready to go right out of the box. It's perfect for any office, home, school, or workspace, helping you create an organized environment instantly. We're confident you'll love this product. It comes with a 100-day return policy, and we're always here to help if you have any questions. Order yours today, risk-free. What we like. This organizer offers convenient personal storage with its multi-drawer design. It's ideal for keeping important papers and personal information secure. If you are looking for a desk organizer that provides both organization and privacy, you should consider this. What people say. The desk organizer is well made and sturdy. It has plenty of space for all my desk supplies. The mesh design allows me to see everything I need at a glance. Number 3. InTheOffice 3-tier File Organizer. Are papers taking over your workspace? This organizer is the perfect solution to keep everything neat and tidy. It helps you say goodbye to the chaos. Made with scratch-resistant steel wire mesh and a reinforced metal frame, it's built to last. The sleek black finish will complement any office decor. This vertical design allows you to quickly locate important documents. It's compact, yet offers ample space for all your files and folders. With its smart design, it helps you save valuable desk space. This organizer is perfect for any office, big or small. Measuring 12.58 by 3.58 by 11.12 inches, it fits perfectly on your desk. Get yours today and transform your workspace. What we like. This desk sorter keeps your desktop neat and organized with its durable steel mesh construction. Its compact, vertical design allows you to locate important papers at a glance. If you like a simple and efficient way to manage your paperwork, you should consider this. What people say. The size is great for all my files and binders. I wanted something to organize my space without taking up too much space, and this was perfect for that. Whether my folders are lying flat or standing up, it holds a decent amount of stuff. It is sturdy and fits exactly into the space I have. Number 2. Annova 3-tier Mesh Desk Organizer. This desk organizer from Annova is designed to keep your workspace tidy. It features a sleek mesh design and 3 sliding drawers, perfect for all your documents. Each drawer is large enough to hold A4-sized papers, letters, and more. It's ideal for organizing files, paperwork, and even kids' art supplies. Made from high-quality mesh metal, it's built to last. The sturdy construction ensures it will be a long-lasting addition to your office or home. With dimensions of 14 by 10 by 7 inches, it fits perfectly on any desk. The drawers measure 14 by 9.5 by 2 inches, offering ample storage space. This organizer not only keeps your desktop tidy but also adds a touch of style. It's a fashionable and gorgeous decoration for any office or home. What we like. This organizer features 3 pulling-out drawers, perfect for organizing A4-size papers and other documents. It's made of high-quality mesh metal, ensuring durability and a smart look. If you are looking for a desk organizer with easy access drawers, you should consider this. What people say. The drawers work well, sliding in and out easily. Each drawer slides out so easily and smoothly, plus it's easy to remove it from the unit, so I take it to the next room. The drawers slide easily, it holds my just slight over 12 paper and attractive to look at. Number 1. Greenco 3-tier Mesh Paper Tray Desk Organizer. This 3-tier mesh desk organizer is perfect for keeping your desk tidy. It's designed to store documents, letters, and various office supplies. This will help you stay organized. Keep your workspace neat and organized with this paper tray. It helps to keep your office or home workplace tidy. Say goodbye to scattered papers. Give your office a professional look with this tiered letter tray. The sleek design and black finish will complement any decor. It's a stylish and practical addition to any workspace. This paper organizer is made of scratch-resistant steel wire mesh with a reinforced metal frame. This makes it stable and durable. It's built to last and withstand daily use. The approximate dimensions are 10.5 inches high, 11.6 inches wide, and 14 inches long. Each tray measures 13.7 inches long, 10.8 inches wide, and 1.2 inches high. It provides ample space for all your needs. What we like. This letter tray desk organizer is perfect for storing documents and keeping your workspace tidy. Its sleek design gives your office or home a professional look. If you like a simple and professional way to organize your papers, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to assemble and sturdy. Looks great on my desk. Great for my home office. Saves space and keeps everything neat. Trays slide in so it's easy to get things in and out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.